Your doctor says you need surgery for your mitral valve regurgitation. This video will help you decide which operation you choose. Mitral valve regurgitation is a disease of one of the valves in the heart where it becomes leaky and allows blood to flow the wrong way. This usually happens with age as the valve becomes floppy or the muscles around it are weakened. Patients usually become short of breath, and when it becomes severe, the best treatment is heart surgery to repair the valve. During surgery, the heart valve can be accessed in one of two ways: a conventional sternotomy or a mini thoracotomy. The UK Mini Mitral Trial compared these two types of surgery. The trial was the largest of its kind to do this comparison, involving over 300 patients across the UK. Patients were split into two groups, with each group receiving one type of surgery. Both types of surgery led to patients getting better, with 96% having their valve successfully repaired. Patients in the keyhole group were twice as likely to go home early from hospital after surgery. To measure the recovery, patients were asked to complete a questionnaire and wear an accelerometer on their wrist. At 6 weeks, keyhole group patients had improved activity levels compared to before the surgery. However, in the sternotomy group, activity levels did not increase at 6 weeks compared to before the surgery. Those in the keyhole group also did more vigorous exercise early after surgery, such as brisk walking, running, swimming, and cycling, and experienced better quality of sleep than the sternotomy group. By 12 weeks, both groups had equally improved activity levels and physical function than before the surgery. Heart scans at 3 and 12 months showed that almost all patients in both groups had mild or no mitral regurgitation. This tells us that both operations continued to be successful for patients, and their regurgitation has been fixed. Complications were low amongst both groups. Although patients in the keyhole group were less likely to experience a complication early after surgery. At 1 year, the results were similar, showing that they both have similar risks. This trial means that patients can feel confident in either of the surgical methods, and the findings can be used to help them make an informed decision with their surgeon.